At our Get Your Life Right financial literacy workshop, you budget and we help you figure out your income. Okay, you think you know your income already, but we're looking for what is that real income from gross to net? And what are you doing to make sure that your future self has an income? We're talking about retirement contributions. We're talking about making sure that healthcare is taken care of in a tax-free way, and life and disability insurance, because nothing would be worse than leaving your family without your income when they need it most. So, join us for this workshop and you won't be sorry. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.